In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Discord on your PC or laptop. So first open up your end browser and then just search for Discord and open up the first website you will see on the top. Now click on the download option you will see on the top. After it is open, just click on the option of download for Windows. After the Discord is downloaded, just open it up. After the Discord is open, if you have an account, just simply log in, and if you didn't, just simply click on register and create the Discord account. And that's how you can download and install Discord on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.